Welcome to the Daily Digital. I'm Kate Murray. In this video, I'm sharing all about the legalities and compliance of your blog or website, with everything from protecting consumers' privacy to copyright of pictures and images to disclosing affiliate links. It's important to make sure you play by the rules. Stick around till the end of the video because I'll be sharing with you a great, inexpensive way to keep your blog or website protected. Privacy and legal considerations on the internet is a big issue, but a lot of website owners and bloggers prefer to ignore it because it's not always easy to understand. However, today I'm sharing with you some very easy ways to protect yourself. Before I go any further, here's an example of a legal disclosure. This video is for informational and educational purposes only. I am not an attorney and it does not constitute legal advice. I am not liable or responsible for any damages resulting from or related to your use of this information. See how easy that was? The main concern people have online is having their identity stolen and their bank account hacked. So naturally, people want to feel comfortable when they're on your blog or shopping on your website. People online are also worried about spam. Many times, they won't want to share their email address with you because they're afraid that it'll be sold to a third-party company. So, what can you do? The first thing I suggest is making sure your site is protected with a security certificate. This is what turns the HTTP into HTTPS in your browser's address bar. You can get a free SSL certificate by hosting with my affiliate partner, Bluehost. I've included a link in the comments below. If you'd like to learn a little bit more about website security certificates, there's also a link in the comments to a video that I did previously on that topic. Next, what is your responsibility if a website visitor does give you their email address? A good guideline is to have a clear privacy policy as well as terms and conditions listed on your website. This could be as simple as, we promise we will never share your email address, or it could be more elaborate, especially if you promote affiliate links. It just depends on the nature of your business and how much information you collect. Moving on to affiliate links, anytime you provide a paid endorsement or link to a product or service from which you might receive a commission, it's important to disclose this information. Here's an example. In the comments below, you'll find a link to one of my affiliate partners, a self-guru. She provides a bundle of best-selling legal templates that you can use to keep your blog or website compliant. Another important component of your website is the pictures and images that you post. Don't fall into the trap of the newbie and start copying Google images. Just about any picture you find online is protected by copyright. That means you need permission to use it. But how do you get that permission? The best way to search for stock photos is to use a free photo library such as Pexels.com or Unsplash.com. If you need a more sophisticated option for your photos or video on your website, I highly recommend my affiliate partner, 123RF. You'll find a link in the comments below. They're a great option and much more inexpensive than Shutterstock. Finally, when is your own work considered to fall under copyright law? In the US, you're protected from the moment you publish. So even if you don't have that copyright symbol at the bottom of your website, things like original copy, links, images, podcasts, and videos are still protected. But it's a good idea to get that copyright disclosure at the bottom of your website to discourage people from stealing, as well as get those legal templates that I mentioned earlier. All of the links you need are in the comments below. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to click on that subscribe button in the lower right-hand corner of your screen so you don't miss out on my best tips for success with growing your business online. See you next time on the Daily Digital.